Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to get into bot lobbies in Fortnite Chapter 5 Season 2. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. First thing you should do is to go to the settings right here and go to this last option on the right side, click on it, then go down till you find here in social privacy partition friend invite permission and make it anyone, then click on apply, then go back. And now all you have to do is to go to the add friend and type Chronobot, then click on enter, wait till it search, and now here as you can see you have many bots with the same name. All you have to do now is to invite or send friend request to any one of these bots. Left click on it, then click on add friend, and it will be accepted in very few minutes or seconds. As you can see right now it's accepted. And what you should do now is to find this bot again, then click on invite party. As you can see here, Chronobot 30, and now here as you can see he is with you. And what you're gonna do after adding this bot right here is to wait from 15 to 30 seconds, and after waiting for 30 seconds go to this partition right here, then click on leave party, then click on yes. Now after leaving the party, all you have to do now is to join a game as soon as possible. If you join the game within 5 seconds, it will enter you into a bot lobby, but there's just a small tip that you may find 1 or 2 players, real players with you, but the majority of players in the lobby will be bots. And I want to remind you guys that this is just a normal glitch, and it may work with you from the first time or may need some frequency, so you need to repeat these steps till you get the bot lobby. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.